So this is the update of the Rangers. I changed the name to Rangers now. Let's see. It's play, and these are some infos we can move with using these WSDTs and time reaction space ZH. Let's see. Go, let's try the red tank. So it has an auto target ultimate. What that means is if it sees any enemy in front of it, if it does Z, will just automatically shoot it. Let's try, okay? Z. You see the bullet carved and hit the green tank and its health becomes low. And that green tank has invisibility ultimate. We saw the bullet tank became invisible. And yeah, let's try to kill that. We have this charging Tesla ball. If we hold the space, we can charge it to bigger, and when it's fully charged, we can shoot it. There we can see, and we can change our tank. So the red one has this charging ability and that auto target, while so that tank is very far, so even if I press Z now, it won't go shoot it. If I'm close to it and I shoot it, it will go. And now there we go. Even if it will be invisible, it will still shoot it like that. And that red tank is spawned and it shot me from behind. Didn't watch it. Need to be careful. And it also has the auto target. We can see it's coming and it will hit me. I could have defended the auto target. There is a way to defend it. Let's see what it does, how to defend it. Let the red tank charge. I think it's charged now. Yep. And now if I use this ball and shoot it, then it will oh, okay, I couldn't. I died. Here we can see our deaths are shown. But yeah, we can defend it for sure. Let's try with the yellow. If we use our ball, the charging ball to hit that auto target bullet, we could hit it. Let's try once more. It will die. Well said. The bullets impact with each other, so that's how we can break the auto target. Let's see if it shoots. It didn't. So it needs to be a little timed when the tank is shooting its own bullet. If we shoot ours, then we will. And that's its ultimate. It's shielding. When it's shielded, we can't hit it. Yeah. And the yellow tank's ultimate is the airstrike. If we go with it in front of any tank, we can kill it instantly. Yeah, that tank also is now the same. So we can see our bullet wasn't hitting the tank because its bullet is destroying my bullets. And we just saw it right now. You can see it again. There we go. So this is how we can cancel each other's bullet. And if I go near it, I'm dead. Let's try with the green one. And this one is invisible. We saw it in the first enemy tank, and its bullet is this. There we go. I'm not a good player though. Go. And finally we can have more tanks. Let's try the blue one. So it's a shielding. We saw it. We saw that our bullet was getting hit. We can use our shield and then we won't get any damage. There we go. can kill. It hit me. And the programming part I will discuss in the next video. So here is a little bug we just saw, that when the tank is getting destroyed, the airstrike is just spawning at the center. It will not be doing it anymore because soon I will just fix it. When the tank is destroyed, stop the. So that's how we see. Can have a self shield. So my shield will not affect with my bullets. It will only affect the enemy's bullet. That's how everything works.